Why didn't this one go off?
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 323, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois, Bureau, Carroll, Henry, Marshall, McLean, Stevenson, White, and Woodson. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are signaled before the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While the severe weather may not limit us to
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 323, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois, Henry, and Stevenson. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather